In this video, you will learn how to vacate a default judgment. If you are involved in a lawsuit and you do not come to court on the scheduled date that you're supposed to, the judge may enter a judgment against you. This is called a default judgment. A default judgment means that the other side wins the case because you didn't come to court to defend it. It has nothing to do with the facts or evidence in the case. To cancel or set aside the default judgment, you must file a motion to vacate within 30 days of the default judgment.
Remember, in civil cases, you must file your motion electronically. You can do this from the clerk's office or anywhere you have access to the internet. Go to efile.illinoiscourts.gov to learn more.
In your motion, you need to include a reason why you did not come to court or file the appropriate documents on the scheduled date. Because the court wants to decide cases based on the facts and evidence, most motions to vacate a default judgment filed within 30 days are granted by the court. Vacating a default judgment after 30 days is more difficult. Instead of a motion, you must file a petition to vacate a default judgment and an affidavit. In your affidavit to vacate a default judgment, you give the facts, under oath, why the judge should vacate the default judgment. It must include facts that show you have a good defense to the lawsuit, did your best to defend the lawsuit before the default, and asked to vacate the default judgment as soon as you could. Courts typically do not grant a petition to vacate filed after 30 days if it was a person's own mistake or carelessness. If a default judgment has been entered against you, it is wise to act quickly to have this judgment vacated. For more information on vacating default judgments, talk with a lawyer, ask your local circuit clerk's office, or visit illinoislegalaid.org.